Testing, testing. All right, let me see if this is actually running. So let's see here. I think I am. Yes. Yes. All right, you cocksucking son of a bitches. Okay. I'm gonna keep this open on the side so I can see my messages. Although you guys can message me in Discord, I see my Discord message pop up on my screen. It's pretty cool. So, oh, do I need standby? Okay. Yo, 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 yo. All right. Do you see my screen? It says you see my screen, so let's get out of this. Let's go. Bang. All right. So we got some movement. What I'm looking at is essentially this. All we need is for RSI and price to match just one time. Just one time. See how RSI goes up, dips down, breaks this low, and then swings back over? But price action did not do that. So every single time it's done this, I've just been short. Haven't been telling you guys this because this is 1 minute scalps. It's impossible to update you. I really think we are. Let's see here. I really think we're gonna hit these 130, 130, 133 targets possibly. Just I wouldn't. Just don't short the fuck. Don't short this whatsoever. Don't short. Don't unless you're a master scalper, pro scalper. You see this volume right here. This structure right here. I'm all about structure, so this structure right here. You saw we had. You see where we have consolidation, and then well, this was consolidation too, because I'll just buy volume. What in the heavens? And then consolidation, and then expansion. So I know we're gonna go lower. I'm again 100% out of my positions. No more positions for me. I'm just chilling, relaxing. I have no doubt. So let's dive this below. That is below. Bitcoin's holding up a little bit better. Bitcoin's on that side. See here, let's go to 1 hour. You know what's crazy? The 5 minute, the 5 small that we have here, the screen one, works really well as an indicator to if you want to go long or short. I urge you, some of you guys, to literally, especially guys who start learning as trying to practice a style or learn a style, or you still not sure what kind of style to look for, but still want to make money and don't want to really listen to me all the time. An easy play every single time is just on the 1 hour. Wait for the 5 to cross over the 21 and go long or go short. Simple. And then usually I think it's a 2 hour works the best, but usually you'll catch really good shorts or really good longs. So I challenge some people to do that. But anyways, let's blow this up. Let's really get into the guts of this, because we really want to see if there's. Are we gonna even bounce? Are we bouncing? Are we gonna ever bounce? This is crucial. What is pretty substantial, in my opinion, is that we're very close to losing this bullish divergence right there. And if we do, that means we are gonna enter an extended fifth leg. End of fifth leg. So I'm counting this. One. Oh shit, that's just the box. I think that's the box. Hold on real quick. Let me get these. One, two, three, A, B, three, four, because on Bitcoin I cleared the low, so A, B, C. One may argue this is 1, 2, 3. The only reason why I'm okay with this being C out of truncation is because it passes what I'm expecting. And this isn't really form. Yeah, it's kind of impulsive, but it didn't really form a clean 5-wave impulse. I counted 1, 2, 3. I counted a 3-wave move like this. So this to me is just a ABC. And so our structure to look for is right here. Like that. And so when I'm looking in this structure, I see 1, 2, 3, and this is 4 in here, and 5 coming down for that bullish divergence. Let's go to a smaller time frame, same instance. But the question now is, you can't rely on divergence as its means, as I told you guys before, and I will always continue to say that. You cannot rely on divergence alone. You will get fucking wrecked if you do so. What you want to look for is a positive reversal or a swing positive once you see divergence. What's a swing positive? We'll go over it again. So we see we got divergence forming. So price action from here goes up, down, and from this point, where are we at? You go up, down, up. So broke this low. Where are we at? Well, you don't know you have divergence though. As soon as you get divergence, you say, "Oh, we got divergence right here." So at this point, we have this hit, this tick, or whatever you want to call it, this drop down to signify divergence, right? I'm surprised that our indicator didn't call it. But you're like, oh, should I have long? Well, check your swings. So after the divergence, you go from the 0.1, 2, and see how this cleared the low, and this cleared the high. Now I'm just looking for price action to do the same thing. So from this point, down, up, cleared the low, right? But when it tried to come to clear the high, it just failed. It failed. On price action, on RSI, it swung over, but when price action does not follow RSI over the swing, RSI comes over and fails and drops below all the time. It breaks through the floors every single fucking time. Every single fucking time. Jesus Christ, I hate when I do that. But every single time. So this is why I was assuming we're gonna drop even lower just recently. And why I went a little short. And I'm already closed out, but that's why I went short again. So you're looking for a swing positive, and until this happens, we're going to continue to bleed down. So let's say, okay, so our points to watch are here and here, right? Here and here. So right now, you're checking. So it breaks below. So you go for point X 0, breaks below, so on this bounce, we have to clear this to really shift this out. If I'm not mistaken, let me see if I'm doing this right again. Divergence. 1, 2. I'm just making sure, because this is complex, so I need to make sure I'm always doing it correct. Divergence, 0x, down, swings below, fails to go up. So, okay, I'm just going to draw it out real quick so I don't forget it. This is price action, and then this is RSI. And this is arbitrary. It could go from low. It could start from high. It could start from low. But typically it's formed after a divergence, so typically it starts a little bit lower. So this is the action you're looking for to form a negative. And essentially the theory is you get denied here. And then when you come back to try to retest this as support, you fail. Because you fail here, you fail to swing over here, so you go back down. So this is what we're looking for. We got 2 points of divergence. 1, 2. So we're going to start from here. Bang. Let's run this shit, motherfuckers. Okay, we're going to look. Our side, I guarantee, is going to swing over that. I guarantee you. Look how small of a position that has to run. It's very small. So RSI is going to clear this roof. Watch it. It's going to clear this roof right here. I got 40 RSI. We're looking for... I'm just looking for this to clear this roof. Right there. So this is our play. Let's go to the 1 hour. I like our 1 hour a little bit better. So the 1 hour close is right here. And if we fail to swing above this on the hourly in the next 12 hours, we'll continue our bleeding down. And I promise you that. These negatives work ridiculously well. In a downtrend, look for negatives and divergences. Bullish. No option for 1080p. I could do 1080p, but last time I did that, some of our members couldn't see it at all. I don't know why. So again, I'll look for other settings to adjust and stuff like that. But so far, I've tried it and it just didn't work. But yeah, it's called a negative. It's called a negative. It's called a swing fail. That's what I was calling them before I knew what the hell they're called. The proper term is a negative. It's a negative. And this is a negative. This is a simple negative right here. I can't spell word shit. And the reason why it's a swing failure is because price action fails to swing above this pivot like RSI does. And because it does that, because it does not swing over, it shows weakness and bearishness in the market. And you could expect further downside as long as it stays under this swing on close. And there's positive reversals, and you look for those on uptrends. Obviously, we're not an uptrend, so we're not looking for a positive reversal. We're looking for a negative reversal every single time until a swing positive happens. A swing positive happens. Okay, what's negative reversals, you get swing failures. What cancel out a negative reversal is a swing positive. A swing positive, again, is when price action does match RSI and does swing over this pivot right here. That's a swing positive. And a swing positive will cancel out a negative reversal, obviously. And that's how you shift trends back bullishly. And that's how you enter on confirmation And usually on that swing, you could expect it to be some sort of trend line. And I guarantee you, like if we get over this zone, guarantee it will go. We're going to go down from here. A little bit more down. Probably like right here, like I said, 133. If you look at this volume, it's pretty high for this 1 hour candle. Yeah, we're definitely going to go down. 1, 2, 3. We could do the same thing here. Same thing. So let's go to a 5 minute. Okay, we think we got bullish divergence. Let's go to 10 minute. Okay, there. Well, we don't have it yet. I think it's gonna happen though. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I do think we're gonna go lower, and then what we're gonna look for is this a swing positive to happen. So what's gonna happen is we're gonna take this point. How does it go? Up, down, and if it swings over this point, we could go long. But right now it's just not happening. Well, we're gonna see if this happens. Jesus Christ, I always do that. And on RSI, it just looks like this. You see what a swing negative right here, look. Down. Oh, let's see here. Let's make sure I'm doing it right again. Down, up. See, this was one. Down, up, down. This was a swing negative right here. Down, up, down. Swung over. Price action did not. Fell down. So down. We're just looking for a swing to happen. It's always looking for a swing positive. So far, we're just not getting it. Again, no reason to go short. I do think we're going to see lower PA. But there's no reason to go short. Yeah, definitely. The sell volume is definitely significant, pretty significant. See, that's a perfect swing negative. Down, up, breaks the low, up. Perfect one. Perfect. Absolutely perfect. That's typically a swing negative. Up, down, up, and did not swing over this level, which is right here. Obviously. Okay, let's move on to Bitcoin. See what's in Bitcoin. Bitcoin's holding up a lot better, but I do think we're going to clear this low. That's simple. That's so simple. Hilarious. So this 15-minute Chevy is beastly, I think. That. Oh, I didn't change. I thought I changed it. The 30. If you're on scalper, if you're a scalper, go to 3014 for the 15-minute, and it's pretty fucking gas. Just keep you in and out of the trade. Like, look at this. Yeah, so you go to short it from here and just rode the whole fucking thing, and you're still short like a motherfucker. There's no reason for you to go long. Let's check. Oh shit. Let's check days of expansion. Let's see if we can get you in trouble. Okay, yeah. I'm trying to look at 30-minute and 15-minute on the Chevy on this, and times of expansion. And it's trying to see if it gets you in trouble. Like if it doesn't get you out of the trade. How it works on the expansion times. So you definitely don't get close. You definitely don't get the bottom, but you definitely get a good trade in. So good for a swing trader on the scalpers. On the scalping time frame. So you go half the time. I like 7 a little bit better. Buy the retest. Short the retest. But I still think the best settings are 4-2. This will be good for a bot, our bot settings. We're working on our bots, so we're working on different settings for bot settings. 4-2 works really well in my opinion for smaller time frames. Keeps you in where you want to be in, keeps you out when you want to be out. You're in, out, in, out, in, out. Well, no system's perfect. And I'm trying to get the system as perfect as possible. To me, these are the best settings I've found. 4-2 is like my favorite small time frame setting. Jesus. Yep, I'm watching this closely. Down, pivot, up. If we cannot break over this right now, I'm shorting. I'll go short again. Small position. I'll only show like super small, like 0.01% of my fucking. It's so small. I'm just doing it for fun, basically. It's like a shit on. It's like a showboat on Twitter to try to get more people to join the team. I'm trying to make a revolution. I keep getting asked in public to join fucking forex groups, and fuck them because they they base their work on commission. I'm not. I can make my own fucking money. Fuck you. I actually teach people how to trade. They fucking don't. No problem. Yeah, exactly. We're just looking for it right here. I think we're getting it though. We're not gonna swing over this whatsoever. It's just you take it from here too. Down, down, up, down, up. But we're not doing it. Currently I've been getting taught how to trade. I've been getting some tips and pointers from a guy named Andrew Cardwell. But majority of my teachings and my understandings towards everything, especially Elliott Wave, is all self-taught. Like yes, like self-taught, and it means I've watched videos online. So if you want to, my really early teachings was like I guess Phil Cone on his. I watched his first like 4 videos before I decided to go my own route because it was too slow for me, and I just literally just read shit on the internet. It's literally just like and applied it, and I understood very quickly that all Elliott Wave is a puzzle, and you're just looking to fit puzzle pieces together, and each puzzle piece. I actually didn't meet Income Sharks. He wasn't there. But that meeting with Andrew was it was awesome. He's a great guy. But yeah, I think we do go lower to like 132. We'll see. No reason to trade this. Back to Bitcoin. Sorry, we're messing with the settings right here. Where are we bouncing? This, like I said, 4.2 sounds pretty cool. If this continues like this, and VPR shows. So that was an easy short from 5,400 down to 4,400 just on VPR. Gap filled. But I really like this zone. Especially right here. But I already had that mapped out forever ago. This little gap. So I'm expecting something to happen. And nothing happens there, then we're pretty fucked, honestly. From this point on, it's a long descent down. And a lot of pain will happen. So let's hope this doesn't happen. If we don't get a bounce, that'll be absolutely ridiculous. Absolutely ridiculous. If we don't get a bounce. One, 2, 3, 4, and 5 is your extended 5. What's crazy is that you're getting a lot of volume in this. So is this capitulation or not? We're getting increased volume. So honestly, I wouldn't long shit. I wouldn't not long shit. Volume is picking up. If you want to, like I said, divergence is no means to an end. All these divergences we're seeing, they could get blown away every single time. So it's looking at. I'm just, like I said, I'm looking for this 4-hour negative to form, but if we don't get a bounce, we will never see it. You feel me? Why not? Well, I use Kraken, so thankfully Kraken has a very it's very easy to get in and out of fiat with Kraken. What exchange are you on? So 1, 2, extended 3, 4, and 5. The reason why I wouldn't short it to the floor at this moment because I'd like that, that. Like I know it's no means to an end. Divergence is never no means to an end, but we have just everywhere, you know? No means to an end, but so we're looking for down, did not clear the high, so that doesn't work. This was a great negative right here on this 2-hour. Down, broke the high, but we did not break the high of this. Negative, cascade down, die. Then when I look at this, I see the same thing. 1, 2, all this is 3, 4, and this is 5. I just wouldn't short it. I would short this bounce. If we get a bounce, it's going to be a good short. Don't chase the trade. Don't, trust me, just don't do it. Just don't do it. I'm telling you. As soon as you think you're okay and chase that trade, you place that order in, the next thing you know, you're down fucking more percent than you can even imagine before you can put your stop loss in. So don't do it. This is a parabolic move down. Kind of. Let me see. Let me flip it down. Let me flip it over. I need to look at it the other way. Oh, that's a beautiful move. Beautiful move. Absolutely gorgeous move. 1. Jesus. Yeah, and like parabolic moves, you don't want to ever long them. Like you don't ever want to. One of the biggest rules about parabolic moves, you don't do the opposite until it's broken. You wait till the parabolic move is broken. That's when you do the opposite. And so far, it's just nowhere close to being over. And how do you make your how do you draw a parabolic move? Well, let's do this. I'll show you real quick. Let's do this real quick. So get your magnet, lowest point, secondary, valid point. Take your point from there, there, there to a valid point up there. Another good point would be this point, so you can go either one. I like this one. And then from this point, we have no pivot yet, on this 10 hour. So when we do break down, we're gonna break down to this. Let's go to a 4 hour. See if we can grow. We don't. Trying. Trend lines are so crucial. Look at that. See that? Oh God. Bounce, retest, continue on. No, my Xbox has been on. It's just getting some notifications. Damn, this is getting Bitcoin getting crushed. Absolutely crushed. Crushed. But like I said, I thought we'd move down, and we are. Just like I said, if you want to enter short, I'm not your financial advisor. Go ahead, fucking go ahead. I'm not doing it. Go ahead if you want to, but I'm not doing it. I'm not trying to risk that. I made a lot of good trades this week. I'm not trying to erase any of those gains. In this 30-minute, you see the same thing. Here it is. Did we finally down, up? So remember, we're looking for a swing positive right now since it flipped. So down, breaks this, but the key is RSI needs to match. If RSI can match this, we should fly. We should fly to this next trend line. About 4,200, I'm telling you. 4,300. But I just don't think we'll go. We don't think that'll happen. I think this is where we get denied at. I think this is where we don't swing above. Let me double check. I'm telling you guys this correctly. I don't want to be saying some stupid shit. Down, up, down. Down. Down, up, down. Perfect. Okay, okay. Yeah. So here's our swing. Yeah, we do have a swing. Positive. We could look for down, up, down. And if RSI can swing over this, yep, so if we could just swing over this on RSI, we'll continue on up. I know, right? We need a time machine. That'd be fucking crazy. I was short the shit out of this too from I feel you. All I know is Let's look at the hourly. Volumes like there's just less volume. See, like there's just less volume. Although the cluster is fatter, in general the cluster is bigger, but still you gotta respect that. And until proven otherwise, I'm expecting this to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but impulsive structure. Alrighty. Well, that happened quickly. Man, those swings are powerful. And you see here we got denied. Top Goon still dead as fuck. You don't want to even consider longing shit until Top Goon crosses all of this. See what happened last time Top Goon did that. Top Goon crossed all of them here. And I did push for a decent long scalp. Top Goon crossed here. If you would have bought here and it sold when he got bearish divergence on Top Goon. And crossed down back under this point. It's a funny little indicator. I like it though. It's not ready. Gooner wants to do some other things with it before he's ready with it. But we're liking it so far. So we patiently wait. I really think 132, 130. I can't actually take my gains because back to the parable. Any way to draw it on this? Draw it on what? What do you mean? Draw it on what? Draw a parabol on what? What am I drawing parabolic on? You can draw it on anything that's parabolic. So you want to draw on? I already did my parabolic lines for Ethereum. Essentially, it's my founding technique, and then you just take it. Okay, so this point got swooped here, so I could take this point off. Whoops. You go off the closed here, and then swoop it down here. This is also a good point right there. So I like this point. Yeah, I like that point right there. So you just fan it. You fan it down, and then until one of those gets broken. This 45 right here is going to be very powerful. Once I swing over it, I'm gonna long the retest. But till then, just chilling. We just chilling. We are chilling like a villain. Trying to see if I can find some sort of target range for us, other than prior price action from back in the DZ. So one of the things I like to do is channels. So I'm locking this right. Yeah, this area right here. Let's see. Get our fib extensions real quick. Again. This is a massive extension. 4.0 extension. This is a better short than the actual short from the first breakdown. Whoa. Oh, there it is. Like, where the hell is it? Why can't I fucking find it? And this one was... Yeah, it was a better short. Look at that shit. Yikes. The pain. The pain. Absolutely nuts. But yeah, here's our channel, so we can expect. We've already extended past the 4.0 extension. Absolutely nuts. Absolutely nuts. My absolute bottom projection is 132. Like this 134 is the lowest I expected us to ever get. 132, 134. We already got. What's this take us to? There's 2 points you measure the drop from the high and then the apex. This is roughly the apex right here. And this measures to. So yeah, 130. That's our zone. If we don't get in this zone, very worried for Ethereum. Where are we at? Where are we at in price action? Is this us right here? It's red. If that's us. Look at this. Look at VPR. Let's bring this VPR up. Well, let's go weekly or whatever. Whatever you want to do. Oh God, look at this. Look at this. Holy moly. We're right at the base of Doom. Right here. This is literally before we free fall down to this. If we don't turn here, we ain't turning. And we just capitulated, buddies and girls. We got that volume kicking in. I can see it. I can really see it. I can see it without any sort of. This is our last hope right here. This zone. If we don't bounce in this zone, we're done. We're dropping to 90 bucks, 80 bucks. I'm not saying short it. You can short it if you want. I'm not shorting shit. I'm not greedy. I know markets move. I can make money tomorrow when I see something more safer. And now if it breaks this zone right here, I'm going to short it. But so far we're not. We're still in this fucking zone. We're still above it. We still have a chance to bounce. That's all I'm saying. Don't be stupid. Wait on confirmation. We will know. We will know as soon, because you saw what Bitcoin did. This Bitcoin. Oh, that's Litecoin. Litecoin's fucking toast. I was pretty close. I said up, down, up. Watch this zone, and there's not even close to bouncing. Litecoin's going all the way down to 30 bucks, and if it doesn't bounce there, we're gonna see Litecoin at 14. Welcome to the Great Purge. Okay, so Bitcoin. You saw what Bitcoin did. Let's go over it again. And this is why we're not going to fucking go short right now. We're just going to wait until we get confirmation on some shit. sure. So, remember, you saw this daily. The gap was filled, or the 3-day, whatever we were on. As soon as we broke under this, right here, we just free fell. Absolutely free fall. See, we bounced out support there and there at this VPR low right here, but as soon as we broke under it, we just free fell. So if you I could do that. I guess I could do this. Because this is finally done. This was like this. Triangle complete, confirmed. Oh shit, that's not what I wanted to erase. Oh, you see the text? That's hilarious. That's absolutely hilarious. I didn't know you saw that. I didn't know it was on the actual. Hold on. I thought it was only on my standby screen. Hold on. Boom. Bang. Did that make it better? I could have sworn it was only on my other screen. My fault. Here you go. So, like I said, like I was going over, Bitcoin, as soon as we cleared this VPR floor, we just fell. So, we're just going to look at the same thing on Ethereum. If that happens, the VPR floor is right here. I have it mapped out for us. Well, it's literally right there. Well, 3 days, go to 3 days. 3 days don't want to get tell us. Yeah, the 3 days shows it's a little bit lower. Let's go to move it. Let's make this one yellow. So essentially this gap right here, if we don't turn around this gap, we are done. So we're in dire need of something to happen here. How can you see it? I don't see it on my live screen. I'm gonna take it off the other screen too. See what happens. That's weird. I do see it popping up on your screen, which I don't understand why it is, because I have it off on mine. I don't know what I did, but that worked. But now I can't see your text at all. There he goes. Hopefully that's it. Gotcha. We good. So essentially, place some stop sales like at 130. Because if it gets to 130, we're going to 90 bucks. 98 bucks. VPR says so, and you saw what VPR did for Bitcoin. As soon as we cleared the VPR low on Bitcoin, oh shit, that's not. You see, when we cleared the low on VPR for Bitcoin, we just flew, absolutely flew. From here to here, we're just like done. We'll get there. No help, no support. So we're gonna look at the same thing for Ethereum. 3-day. So it's literally right there. This is our last area of hope before 101 bucks minimum. This could just go like this. 1, 2. This could have just been a 1, 2. Actually, no, absolutely not. This is still just one fucking move. And we're an extended fifth leg. That's exactly what we're doing. Don't be stupid. I don't think we do this. I would really like a retest of these zones up here. At least this zone, but I just don't know if we're gonna get it anymore. Bitcoin needs to do something for us. So far, she's not. Volume's beginning to dwindle. Jeez Louise. Absolutely nuts. Hey, go ahead and short it, bud. If you feel that confident. Up, down, up, down, up, failed to swing over, cascaded down. Bullish divergence was eliminated from this point to this point. And it's about to be eliminated from this point. So this is all wave 3 of 5, I think. It's a possibility this is like this. Because from this point, 1, 2, 3, it broke that divergence. It makes sense now. A, B, C, A, B, C, A, B, C, A, B, C, A, B, C. Possibly, right? We'll see. We'll see how this goes. This is not really forming a wedge shape, so it's not really formulating to the rules, but we're now in that zone of no returns. We're watching this closely, you guys and girls. If we break this zone, we are probably going to go short, and we're going to watch this thing die together. And we're going to sing a happy song. I don't know what song we'll pick, but someone pick it. Someone pick a song that we can sing together while Ethereum dies in front of us, if it happens. We must stay above the zone of uncertainty. I know that's a, what do you mean? What do you mean 1 2? Where? In the smaller time? This one right here? 1 2 3. That one right there. Shinasu. Which 1 2 are you talking about? Or this 1 2? 1 2. How's it? It doesn't look unproportional whatsoever to me. Has the right fit. Well, I guess. Oh, I see how deep 2 retraces. Yeah, that is could be subjective. That's why I do like the ABC here better. But this is something we're definitely looking at. The better count is this, in my opinion. I think I have that. The one from the 11th. 1 2. That is a clean 1 2. That is the cleanest 1 2 I've seen in a while. So that is so clean. That's clean. It's a clean 1 2 3 4 5. So I don't know what you mean. What else would you count it then? If it's not 1 2, what would you count it? An ABC? I'm just asking though, for real. We got a perfect 2.618 extension of wave 1 for 3. Perfect. So this works. I don't know what you mean, man. Don't know what you mean. Oh, okay, I see. Yeah, it might have been marked differently. Who knows? But this is my Kraken chart and is my go-to chart, my real chart, legit chart. So this is no longer 3, 4, 5. This is all 3. 1, 2, 3. All this is 3. Now, rough. 1, 2. I'm still watching this though. It's not looking good at all. This is pretty grim. This is actually very depressing. Bitcoin almost to my zone. Don't know if it'll get there though. I hope if we get there, I think Ethereum kisses the very base of that shit. Man, that's a rough outing for people who went long. Whew. It's one of the worst days. This is definitely the worst month in a while. Dear God, that volume on the daily is just horrifying. Yeah, this is horrible for the state of crypto. But we're cooling, we're chilling, we're getting some reaction. Finally, some green reaction. Woo! It's getting very nerve wracking. I'm not long or anything, but I'm just like fucking just nervous for the entire state of crypto. You know, like this is depressing. It's very depressing. Hold on, let me get out of this real quick. Oh, I thought I had a Twitter open. I wanted to open Twitter, see what the hell. Everybody's crying or dying. Still holding. Wow. Jesus Christ. Oh my gosh. Looking really rough. I'm still hungry. I might have to pause this and get back on, guys, later. I'll leave it on. I'll leave it on, but you guys don't have to watch. You can get a quick 4% gain. That's hilarious. I literally cannot believe. And we're not getting a reaction in this zone from Ethereum. This is scary. Attaboy. I really think. This is crazy. Absolutely crazy. But I really want this to... I think we're going to break this, guys and girls. I think we are. This is crazy. Absolutely nuts. On the 3-day, it shows the Bears getting strength. Daily, the Bears just took out the highs of this. So it shows that the Bulls are done. Throwing a towel. Bulls are done, it says. Jeez. See how well it holds out. Well, last time I did that, it was way back then. We need some sort of reaction. It's not looking good. It's not the kind of reaction you want from a dip into a zone. Let's zoom in here. The kind of reaction you want to look for when you get into a zone is that right here. This kind of reaction right here. So 2 good wicks and then clearing out of those never returning. I think we break this, guys. Yep, I think we break it. I think Ethereum's done. Fuck. Oh God. Hold me. Someone hold me. Someone hold me. What's Bitcoin? Bitcoin's doing nothing. Absolutely nothing. Oh shit. Oh shit. Okay, we dipped under, but we sucked back in real quick. Let's see what happens. This is literally the last hope until we get to $100 Ethereum. I'm going to open my cookie. Oh shit. I just noticed I had a buy order down there. I guess it was my fucking stop. I don't know why I had a buy order. That's so weird. I didn't mean to do that, but I'm gonna try to get out of this as quick as fucking possible. This looks horrible. Down $5, and I'm out. Fuck this shit. I don't give a shit. I'm not even risking that fucking shit. Not even worth the fucking money. Fuck that. Too scary. My cojones aren't big enough for that. Too scary. Hey, look at that volume though. That's huge. Massive volume. Okay, we're getting some movement. We need if we get back out of this zone, we'll be safe for now. I don't know why I bought. I could have sworn I was shorting the entire time. Oh, I'm a fucking idiot. Because those orders were just made earlier today. I'm so stupid. Uh, that's what you get for not paying attention. So it's hopefully that's retarded. Got too excited today and it's hilarious. Whatever. I don't mind a $5. I'm in and scared as fuck. Me too, Steve. Okay, I lied, guys. I didn't close on my position. I'm still in. I'm just very worried. I've set my stop loss at 132, and I'm not playing with the stop loss. New order. I cannot believe I bought though. Oh, that so pissed me off. I would run a decent short, I guess. $5. I'll take that. Fuck. Oh god. Hold on, I'm gonna post this. Cardano. Let's look at some ADA. I told that shit I was going to fucking dumpster dive. Let's see where it's at now ever since I last... Oof! Damn, look at that fucking jump. Jesus Christ. What in the fuck? Oh, God. Are you serious? That's just fucked up. That is fucked up. This price action is so fucked up. This Kraken though, I can't. Oh, I can't do it on Kraken. Okay. Below trend. Yes, baby. Yes. Let's go. Let's go, bitches. Let's fucking go. I don't long shit. I just went long on accident on the worst fucking possible time you could fucking long. Damn, Cardano lost. I need some. I need some info. I need some. I need some backup data. Oh god, dude, bro. I wouldn't. Ada is. Jeez. I wouldn't long Ada just because there's nothing telling you it's gonna be a fucking bot. All you're hoping on is institutionalized investors to step in to save this fucking coin. Don't buy this thing. Don't even dare it. Don't risk it. You have no data to base your formula off of. What we But I will be a buyer of ADA if we could do this. Swing positive. Swing over that. So this point right here. Buying ADA over this. So if you could do this, buy. Aim for this. This should be your play. Right here. Stop loss set. Top. This is how you become a fucking trader, bitches. Don't be a little bitch. You buy when there's blood, motherfuckers. Although I didn't mean to buy. I wanted to buy on confirmation. This is not the kind of blood you want to buy. This is danger blood. But danger safe, whatever you want to call it. Nasty triangle. They just made a pretty triangle on the Binance fucking chart. On the Kraken chart, it looks like a piece of shit. Alright. I'm gonna post this to our good friend. Oh yeah, that's some good reaction that's good reaction right there. Like I said, this could be. Remember, I thought this is all just an extended wave 3. So pray for us. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pray for me. I didn't mean to get in this trade, but I'm in. Although I respect Steez. Steez is a good fucking trader. 133 caught the bottom, bitch. God damn, son. And he's been calling that the entire time. Respect that. Shooters shoot. They make money. And I guarantee he could close out right now for some good profit. Shooters shoot. Buying crypto kitties here. Alright, sorry, I was tweeting, doing some things. That sell off looks very ABC like. Invalidation, I will be out of my trade. My new stop loss is now, my stop loss is now moved up to $134.71. If we cross that, this impulsive structure is invalidated. Right? Right. Simple. Let's go. We need to get out of this orange zone, though. Yes, Ethereum is just not looking good. What is that? 3-day? Coinbase? Keep that open. I'm gonna open Ethereum down here. Still can't believe how long that shit. It's so stupid. Piece of shits. Ooh, I think I already. And I'm out of my position for a $4 loss. Whatever. I really don't think it's input. They get increasing volume, but it does not look promising. I'll be pissed off if we go up to new highs though. Well, let me double check if I'm out of my position. Sometimes my stops don't get taken. That was a quick little wick in, so mine I'm not. And I'm still in. I'm leaving my stop there though. If it gets taken out, it gets taken out. I don't give a fuck. I'm still in. For a point. Alright. Don't need this. Whoa. Don't need that. You know what I really want? For some reason, I'm really craving a hamburger. I'm really hungry, you guys. But this action is just so mind-boggling. Look at that buy volume. That's a pretty good buy volume right there. Right off this. Damn, son. I didn't mean to catch that knife at all. Just. What was it off of? What was I judging my price action on? I think it's. Wow. Yikes. That's luck. That was luck. All I was guessing was this zone would be our turnaround zone. 44 to 42. Kissed off it, so we could turn around now. That'd be cool. Because Ethereum looks like it's about to die. Yes, bitch, yes! Let's go! This is starting to look impulsive. If we can clear this high, I'll be happy. I'll be in my trade. I'll stay in this trade. So let's just keep rocking and rolling. Alright, you guys want me to do anything? Want me to do any tricks? Just kidding. Man, you're crazy if you're gonna short it right now, man. You're absolutely nuts. Absolutely nuts. But I love people who are nuts and have balls. People who have nuts and have balls are usually people who make money and do shit. But you can't be stupid. Alrighty. Yes. If we can clear this high, my hypothesis is correct and we will go up. But we gotta pray. Pray for us. Pray. My 2 subscribers who are watching, pray for us. Hold my hand. My peso long is now in profit. Is there something weird? Actually, I'm about to close this out. I think I see a leading diagonal of wave 1, and then this is this little push up, which is an ABC 2 leg of a smaller scale. So I'm going to go ahead and close out my peso scalp long earlier for a minimal 5 buck gain. I only moved like fucking 2 pips though. Then I'm going to be looking to short still the same way. So let's rock and roll. Let's rock and roll. Again, let me know if you want me to see anything. I don't have anything else for y'all. A truncated fifth could also be put in play. One, two, three, four, five. Or do you mean truncated fifth on the drop down play boy? Playa 69? Or do you mean a truncated fifth on this minor? No, I'm not shorting here. I'm absolutely not shorting here. What the fuck? I am long. I'm in a long right now, currently. And we have confirmed a bullish breakout. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We just barely wicked into this zone, and I am very habitual about this, but I'm going to allow it. XRP Bitcoin. It should be acting negatively, right? Correlating negatively. Jesus Christ. I didn't know it'll. I thought, oh, what about USD? What's USD version doing? Is it going up too? So the USD is going flat, but the Bitcoin version is going. I'm not saying buy, but I accidentally entered this long because I had fucking stop orders down there. I guess I don't remember setting them. What we still want to confirm a buy because this is gonna be a decent retrace back if we do get it. If we don't just capitulate and die. So this is what we're looking for. Someone's like fucking on. Someone's making some weird noise outside my window. I'm about to shoot them. Strange. Very strange. But This should retrace decently now. Watch the retrace to hold in this golden pocket. Right here. 134-ish. 133, 134 will be the lowest we will go. Which is the actual one lowest we go is 139 and 90 cents. Because that is our 786 retrace. So what we're possibly looking at right now. I absolutely play 0 games on my Xbox. It's just here collecting dust. I have friends that ask me every day if I want to play Xbox or something. I just don't have time. I'm doing this. I'm making money, trading, everything I could possibly trade, trying to build a website, trying to fucking stay in shape, trying to better myself. I don't know. I just don't have time for video games anymore. I love them. I used to be fucking the coldest fucking Halo player ever. I would wreck anybody. I used to go like 42 and 55 and like 1 or like 4 deaths. Ridiculous. Check crypto contractors count. Contractor. Where are you, buddy? Where's contractor? Fine, I can't find him. Ben. Which one? Four two 8284. It's invalidation of his bearish count. So let's mark that. His count is a very valid count, so we're going to mark that. That's his Bitcoin count. What would you know? It is literally right underneath the area of death. So like if we drop below that, I would expect us to just capitulate. No, yeah, like I said, I'm watching this. Remember what I said? Is this gonna be wave? Is this gonna be a completion of a tire move, or is this going to be wave 1 and 2 of a smaller, bigger capitulation event? To me, if you think Ethereum breaks out now, you're telling me that you think Ethereum decouples from Bitcoin, which is possible. So let's see here. Remember our play is going to be on the daily or 10-hour. I can't remember. Okay. Maybe not. I was gonna watch for it, but we just got so sold off. We didn't even come close. We're trying to find somewhere where a divergence that could form. It's right here. Okay. Yeah, here it is. I finally found it. It's hard. They're hard to find. They really are. In order for us to be bullish, we need to close over this zone. Do you know why? You guys know why? You guys have to know why. Because that's why. To be exact, it's this number. Breakdown. We will see. We will see. I need to get some food. I'm gonna pause this. I'm gonna put on some good, nice music for you guys. So, I'll be back. The biggest issue I have with this breaking out is just that the rest of the world markets look like shit. Absolutely shit. Shit. Fuck. There we are. For some reason, my freaking tablet wouldn't stick to its case. Oh, I don't need this. Sorry, how much better it works when I take that cover off. Ow. Jesus. Alright, so we're looking good. In terms of what you want to see in Elliott Wave and stuff. Okay, so I'm gonna go get something to eat real quick. I'm gonna go ahead and keep my live stream on. I'll be back, and I'll go ahead and. No way. The tip to my pen is missing. It's absolutely horrible. Hold on. That's actually very sad. I think I found it. And I did. Okay. That was very depressing. I thought I was very sad for a bit. Jesus. Hold on. Don't be scared. Don't be scared. Don't get tired. Don't get emotional. Ride the waves. Let it roll with you. Do what you want to do. As long as it makes sense. Don't be stupid. Alright, I'll be back. I'm going to take like a 15-20 minute break. I'm going to make myself food at home. I have spaghetti I made earlier. I'm just going to warm up, homie. It's going to take me like 10-15 minutes. Hold on, I have a question. What do you guys see right now? Do you guys see a blue screen? How about now? That's so weird. Okay, I need to figure out how to make my my standby pop up. Okay, it's supposed to show you my standby screen. That's so weird. I want to figure out what's up, Rush Trader? I'm curious to why I can't get my... There it goes. Haha, I figured it out. Appreciate it, brother. I appreciate you loving me. I love all what I do, so I'm happy I'm actually good at what I do. I'm not a piece of shit. So, looking at this, I told you I was gonna get lunch, but I was trying to keep you guys safe. Do we have a positive right here? Down, up, down, down. Nope, not yet. This might be some sort of bear flag. I mean bull flag. To get us up to this zone. I went along this. This could also be as this quick a. I'm really gonna be very curious of this gold zone at 134 to 135 right here. I'm very curious your reaction out of this, and or the reaction out of the break above this level right there. If we break over, retest it, and then move back up. But until then, I'm in the position, unfortunately. I wanted confirmation to enter a trade, but whatever, fuck it. I'm in. Semi-soft loss. I have rules. We roll with it. Hey, everybody go congratulate Crypto Steez. He bought in at 133. He nabbed the bottom. Right here. Kudos. I thought 134 was going to be the bottom. That's Crypto Steez's buy-in. Right there. Right there. He was 20 cents off. He sucks. Everyone go tell him he sucks. He's garbage. We want exact numbers, Steez. Exact. No, I'm kidding. That's a really good trade. He's already in a really good. He's already in really good profit. Look at that. That's how you play. That's how scalpers make money on buying chips like that. And it's, oh shit. Oh fuck. Ah, there we go. Okay, back over it. Steez bought in right here. Crypto Steez. Crypto Steez. He bought in at 133 right here. Yeah, he's on Twitter. He's in our Discord. He's everywhere. I think we could continue our move up. 1, 2, then 1, 2, 1, 2. Yep. Cool. Alright, I'm gonna move my stop up to 134, just under this golden pocket area, and let's see how this rolls. Alright. I'm gonna be back in like 15 minutes. 10 minutes. 15 minutes. One of the two. However long it's gonna take me to eat. I'll send a tweet out and also a message on our Discord for our Discord members. Sound good? Now, do you guys want to watch? Here, I'm gonna put on this. Bang. All right, welcome back. So it seems to exactly what I thought was gonna happen. ABC, not exactly, but I assumed. Perfect 1-to-1. I could assume we could move up here, but it won't be uncommon to get this to down this range right here. So we're still watching it. Whoops. We're still watching this zone. So we got a perfect 1-to-1 extension already of this drop down. So very curious if we move back up and swing back over this, we're gonna just continue up, and I'll be very happy with this trade. But until now, I'm still nervous. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and continue eating. I just saw the market move, so I went ahead and updated this. Oh. Okay, fine. I'll change my settings to 1080p. I can't figure out how to do it. Let's see here. Shit. I don't know how to change this. I'm trying to figure out how to change this to. I think I have to change it with OBS, huh? Yeah, I'm assuming it's all in OBS, huh? It might be dead. It might be dead. Which I'll be okay with. Like I said, I'll short the shit out of this to $100. Attaboy. Attaboy. That's what we want to see. Oh, I know why I can't change it yet. Alrighty. Okay, so I'm going to have to change the settings later on. Or I could exit and redo this. Attaboy. Thank God I got this peso play. This is very interesting. Very interesting price action. What you kind of do have is a test of that trend line and breakout, kind of. And it might move up. But what's also very scary is all these lows that have been tested so far.
You finish first, or not at all. Death race.
We'll see.
2000. It's a cross-country road wreck, and the traffic is murder.
I'm 100% sure on that one because this looks like a bull flag.
On this one-way train road.
Moment of truth, bruh.
And I can't find
For real.
the brakes. Taking me where I don't know. 'Cause I'm alone. So far from home. A stranger looking back. I don't know where to go.
You fucking with my music though? I could change the music. I could always change the music. Look at other markets. What the fuck else is happening around the world? My Twitter call. I would still not be a buyer into this zone. This golden pocket. Red Hat is still chilling. What about Tilray? What's the other I know I had some other calls coming in. Can't remember what it was though. Stocks, options, and more.
Follow you through the haze. Pebble step on your window. Feel the cold on my face.
Yeah, it is TL right. TR.
I don't wanna hear you say no. 'Cause I'm alone. So far from home. A stranger looking back. I don't know where to go.
Oh, it's not TLR, it's NLST. I'm like, that don't look familiar. Netlist. Oh my god. TA doesn't work though. But this more looks like a ABC now since we have divergence forming. Very sad. Exit Netlist if you're in this trade. I know T-Spicky is. Someone asked me, this looks like a really good long pretty soon. To me, it looks like a very good short. I don't know about you. Head, shoulder, maybe? Meh. Sure. I don't know. I don't like it. I don't like when I'm looking at it. It doesn't give me a very clear picture. This to me all looks bear flaggy. So maybe we put it in.
Even when the baseline drop.
Something like that. Watch it to get cleared in this zone. Like, why does this look so weird? I was like, because we're in candles.
Baseline drop.
I don't get what the difference between high-low close bars and the other ones are. They show the open, that's the difference. Well, something to be very aware of, though. Okay, we cleared back over it, so that's very okay. Never mind. Head, shoulder. This should at least retrace to this zone down here. At least. This needs some sort of retracement.
Baseline drop.
Very interesting. Interesting stuff happening around the market. What else did I have? What else was I looking at? Nothing. Alright. We're gonna see how this moment of truth right here. Moment of truth. If we don't get a reaction out of here, we're gonna probably see more lows. Moment of truth. What's Bitcoin doing? Ouch. Last hope is this. What's Bitcoin doing? Bitcoin looks very impulsive. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A, B, A, B. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Holding this. Holding my nuts. This is getting very scary. Very, very scary. Bitcoin looks a lot better. My stop's about to get triggered. It's at 133 and like 10 cents. This is literally lay last. Alright, there goes my stop. Taken. Wave 5 confirmed. I cleared lows? Yeah, I did clear lows. So yeah, I did clear the lows, so I finally lost the trade. I did assume we were gonna go one more down, but I decided to stick with this trade since it was in this zone. Elliott Wave said something else, but whatever. Whatever. What's strange is that Bitcoin's still holding fairly well and is still in like a very like that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's a clear 5-wave move. Which is very interesting. 1, 2, 3. Usually Bitcoin lags a little bit, so this is why I decided to just go ahead and let my stop run its course. Even though Bitcoin's looking like it's holding its zone, it likes to lag a little bit. And it's not looking good for Ethereum, honestly, because we dipped in here, tried to dip out, couldn't, cleared the low again, and we're back in this, below this range. This is not looking good for Ethereum. Nuts. Absolutely nuts. I'm very curious to what's going to happen now. How low can we go? If we close in this zone, I think Ethereum dies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm be very pissed if we start moving up right now because I think I know for a fact it got stopped out because the price is at 133 flat and I'm just chilling there, so I know for a fact it got stopped out. But we just barely cleared the lows. Which completes this Elliott wave structure. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's keep watching this, motherfucker. It's looking pretty scary though. No, not time to short. We're waiting for confirmation. It's an hour, like an hour or two candle closing under this range, and I think we could. But until then, we're not gonna short this. We're not gonna get bear trapped. Yeah, it's below, but we need to close. We need to close. We need these. If it closes like this, we can. But I'm not trusting it until we get this close. The only reason why I don't trust it is because Bitcoin made it like a really clear. Like this is really clear. Does not retrace into wave 1 territory. 2 does not retrace. Oh, we're in a wave 1. But this retrace is so deep, it's very scary. We already broke the lows on Ethereum, like I said. Bitcoin usually lags. We're already beneath 0.886, so that's not good. Increased bull volume. Bear sell volume. Oh shit. Yes, we gotta wait 53 minutes. We're not confirmation. We're not dumb traders, people. It's okay to miss out on like 2%, 3% on because we're waiting for confirmation. All right, you guys and girls. Um, Not much really. You guys know what I'm looking for. If we don't turn around here, we're pretty fucked. Bitcoin still has decent support in this range, but Ethereum's is not looking the same. So I really think Bitcoin needs to hold this zone, this upper half portion of this zone right here, in order to just keep Ethereum from falling off an absolute cliff. That's crazy. So what would you consider as an A, B, C? So wild. That literally looks like a clear five-wave impulse to me. That's clearly 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. 3, 4, and 5. Come on, Bitcoin, prove me wrong. Prove me wrong, Bitcoin. Show me you got something in you. So right in that box, see what happens. Oh dear God, Bitcoin's just not looking good. Who knows? Crypto might be dead. Who knows? You don't. Ethereum does not have a lot of time left to pull this one out of its fucking bag. Does not have a lot of time left to pull this one out of the bag. It's good buy volume right there, though. Come on, baby. Do some. Do something with it. Do something with it. This is like not good. Not good. How much time left? 30 minutes or less? Ooh, but did we just close? $45 minutes. A lot could happen in 45 minutes in cryptocurrency. We need to get out of this red zone. 133 does not form this negative. Alright, you guys. I'm going to put this on pause, whatever you want to call it. I'll update you guys. We need to get back over 133 in this hour. Or else I think we're going to just fall. Alright. Cheers. Yeah, that's how I hedge. I short Ethereum on Euro and then long Ethereum on USD or vice versa, and that's how you hedge. Set your stops appropriately, let one run. Alright, you guys. It's been a pretty crazy past week. Very fun. Happy that we finally have movement to trade. Alright, just shoot me any message if you have any messages, any concerns, anything you need. Hit me up. I'll be around. I'm still going to be up for the next hour or two. Then I'll be crashed out. Alright, laters. Here, I got you. I'll show you real quick. I think I saw your message. 1 second. So you see right here, you have a choice. You got a simple, intermediate, Ethereum, USD, the Euro's right here underneath it, if I'm not mistaken. Or it's down here in one of these. Ethereum, we're probably gonna go here, Euro, Ethereum. So yeah, then you just do it that way. Alright? Cheers. Again.
someone you love.